Hi, welcome back guys. My name is Rioland. This is the third tutorial. In the first tutorial I make use of Eclipse. In the second tutorial I make use of NiceBlend for you to understand. Most of them are IDE and are very easy to use. But in this third tutorial we are going on Java keyword. What is keyword? Keyword are reserved word in Java that allow you to make use of something, sometimes when you're using ints, all those things. So I have write some keyword. As we'll be going on, we'll be making use of more keyword. I think we have like 35 keyword in Java. In general, Java, C++, but now I think it's 32 now Java keyword because repeatant is not in Java. But now this is the few one. This is the keyword and reserved keyword data types. We have bytes, short, long, int, float, double, character, string, and boolean. Those are Java keyword and their data types keyword. Data's specifier keyword. They are public, private, and protected mainly. We have the functions and the method. We have the void. We have the classes. I just group them as the function and method. We'll be making use of them one after the other, and we'll be seeing the way they works. And all data types, all those data types, you can use them as a function or as a method. We call them function in other programming language. I'm gonna teach you what function is all about, but don't worry. In this one, why function and why method? In Java, some people thought that function is everything that returns a value, and method is not something that never returns. Like me, I believe that void is a method, and all those data types are functions. So we have error provider, we have exception, true, try, catch, we have flow control statement, that's FCS, that's for looping, I call them loop, for why, do. So all those things we're gonna be using them, and more of the keywords in Java we're gonna be using them. So now we are going into the data types and the uses of the data types in Java. So let's go, and I'll be using Eclipse for this. Let's start from let's copy we can copy our data types. And let's paste it there. You can see, oh sorry, this is supposed to start from with capital letter. I don't want us to rush ourselves, so we'll be having like 2 tutorials to divide this. So bytes allow you to store a byte of number. Like you want to read a picture, you can store them, by a picture as a long byte, like picture, videos, those ones. So they make use of bytes. Bytes store like 1 to 7. So we can have 3. So let's say B C equals 7. So let me explain this. We have it in a building. Maybe you're having a 3-bedroom flat. So in the first apartment is your master bedroom. You have a toilet, you have a bathroom, you have a kitchen, you have a store, you have way. So in your room you have some data that you can store in your room. So those data are those numbers. This is your room. So for instance, this is your room. So the name of the data and the value you can store in that room. In your bedroom, you can only find your bed, your clothes, and some room materials. But in your kitchen, you can find your plates, your cutlery, some like that. But it will be very difficult for you to just store your mattress, or to move your mattress into your kitchen. It won't make sense. Or to pick your your toilet material and drop it in your bedroom, or your kitchen material and put it in your bed. So that's why we have data and the type and the value of the type of value you can store in those data types. Like bytes, you can store what you can store in long in bytes. That doesn't work like that. You can store something you store in string as boolean. It doesn't work that way. So they have different type and different value at which you can store them. So this is the just like a room at which you can store any value. It's just like a room at which you can store any value. So let's start. Let's make use of 3 of them. Let's say short. Short can also store, let's say sht equals to. That's the reason. For instance, we are saying, okay, let me explain more on this. Say byte, bt, and 7. Okay, the byte represents the type, the data types at which you want to store. Like, you want to tell your computer, okay, store this. Whenever I call plate, and the plates will be stored in kitchen. Let's assume this byte represents kitchen. Okay, all the okay, I know it's kitchen. Then what do you want me to store? This one are plates. Okay, we receive the plates. What's the name of you? You're not giving plates. Maybe you program a robot. You're not saying, in my kitchen, take this 7, then store it. Okay, what should I store it with? So the reason why you give its name is that whenever you want maybe you want your computer to bring out that place, you're gonna tell him, my robot, go to the kitchen, bring 7. It's not gonna understand that, but you're gonna understand. But you're gonna tell him that with a reference of what you call, telling him that, okay, bring bt. So you're gonna know that, okay, give that name, that 7 bt. Okay, so whenever I say retrieve me bt or bring me bt, so you're gonna know it's talking about 7. So bring me bring me anything you use it to mention. Okay, it's not that it's storing 7 in that position. It's gonna bring it out. So you say bring me spoon, you know that you are talking about spoon, so it's gonna bring it. But if you tell him bring me plate and it's bringing you spoon, you know that something's going wrong. Maybe you name spoon, you give him spoon, and you call the name of that spoon plate. So whenever you tell him bring plate, it's gonna bring spoon because you've changed their name. That's the reason. And if you told him take my bed to my room, it's gonna take it to your room. That value you are giving to him, to your robot to perform, to your computer to perform, that value you are giving to him is what he is gonna store as the name of the value you give to. I don't know, maybe you get it. Get something there. The value at which you give to him, that's what is gonna store as the name. You say, take this bed, then where to my room. The room is the data, is the type. The bed you are giving is the data. Then the name you are using is the name you give to him. If you can call him phone, so it's gonna name it. Whenever I say, where do you keep my phone? You will say in the bedroom. So you're gonna know where to store it. So that's basically how to make use of data types which are stored. So in the next tutorial, I'm gonna be talking more on data type. I think we should kind of understand how it works now on these data types and how you can make use of all this. So, and the reason why all these are useful, I'm gonna teach you in the next tutorial. So watch the next tutorial and then